So the next function is sum function. Now suppose if you want to calculate the sum of these marks, then the way to do it is just type equal to sum parenthesis and now select all these marks. So with the help of mouse cursor, just select all these marks. So just drag it. So you can see that it has selected from C4 to C9. Now type the closing parenthesis and now hit enter. So it has now calculated the sum of these marks. So the sum total of all these marks is 345. Now if you want to sum any three numbers, then the way to do it is type equal to sum parenthesis, type the number 1, comma number 2, comma number 3, and now type the closing parenthesis and now hit enter. So the sum for 45, 50 and 75 is 170. Similarly, you can find the sum of two numbers also. So just type equal to sum number 1, comma number 2, closing parenthesis and hit enter. So the sum for 90 and 10 is 100. So this is how you can use the sum function and calculate the total of all these numbers.